Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Klutz Sewing Kit is probably one of the most engaging and educational craft kits available for young aspiring designers, offering a fantastic introduction to the world of sewing with clear instructions and all the necessary materials to create adorable plush toys and accessories, making it an ideal choice for fostering creativity and developing fine motor skills in a fun and accessible way. Number 5. Sew Mini Treats. Introducing Sew Mini Treats, the ultimate kit for creating your own charming plush toys. Get ready to bring your cuddly creations to life. Designed for simplicity and enjoyment, this kit makes crafting plushies a breeze for everyone. Unleash your creativity with ease. Inside, you'll find all the necessary materials and instructions to get started right away. No need to search for extra supplies. Make one-of-a-kind gifts that are sure to delight your loved ones. Personalize your creations to make them extra special. This kit is perfect for sparking imagination and encouraging creative expression. Watch as your ideas transform into adorable plush friends. Embark on a fun and rewarding crafting journey with Sew Mini Treats. Start creating your collection of cute and cuddly companions now. What we like? This kit offers a delightful variety of cute dessert shapes to sew. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to introduce sewing with adorable results, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who love sweet treats and enjoy creating small, charming crafts. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to get started, with clear instructions and pre-cut felt pieces. My daughter loved this kit and was able to complete her first project with minimal help. The included needle is safe for kids. This is a great beginner sewing kit. The patterns are easy to follow and the finished products are cute. Number 4. Sew Mini Animals. Introducing Sew Mini Animals, the ultimate craft kit for creating adorable plush companions. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring these charming creatures to life. Designed for crafters of all ages and skill levels, this kit makes sewing simple and fun. Even beginners can achieve professional-looking results with ease. Explore a delightful collection of animal patterns, from cuddly bears to playful foxes. Each design is unique and sure to capture your heart. We've included everything you need: premium fabrics, soft stuffing, and durable threads. You'll have all the high-quality materials to create lasting treasures. Handmade gifts are the most special. Create personalized presents for friends and family that they'll cherish forever. It's a thoughtful way to show you care. This kit is more than just a craft, it's an invitation to imagine and create. Let your artistic flair shine as you personalize each animal. What we like? This kit focuses on creating adorable, soft plush animal toys. If you or your child loves cuddly creatures and wants to make their own stuffed friends, this is the ideal option. It's designed for beginners, making it easy to achieve satisfyingly huggable results. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to get started, with clear instructions and pre-cut felt pieces. It's a great beginner sewing kit, perfect for teaching basic stitches and creating simple projects. The finished products are cute and can be used as decorations or small gifts. Number 3. Craftorama Fairytale Sewing Kit. Discover the magic of crafting with our Fairytale Sewing Kit. It's designed to be fun and educational for kids aged 7 to 12. Making it perfect for beginners. This comprehensive set includes over 165 pieces, with pre-cut felt, colorful threads, needles, and all the accessories needed to start creating right away. Get your kids away from screens and engaged in a hands-on activity. It's ideal for rainy days, parties, or as a unique gift that keeps them busy for hours. Watch your children's confidence soar as they proudly display the adorable creatures they've made. These creations can become cherished keepsakes or thoughtful gifts. Designed with beginners in mind, it features pre-punched holes for neat stitches and includes both plastic and metal needles for safe practice. Attaching small parts is a breeze with our secure sticker backings. We've put a lot of love into designing this kit, ensuring a delightful crafting experience. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to assist you. What we like? This is a comprehensive sewing kit that includes everything needed, even video tutorials for easy learning. If you appreciate detailed guidance and want to minimize frustration for beginners, this kit is excellent. It's perfect for those who prefer visual learning and want a complete, hassle-free crafting experience. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to get started, with clear instructions and pre-cut felt pieces. It's a great beginner sewing kit, perfect for teaching kids basic sewing skills. The finished products are cute and functional, making it a rewarding craft project. Number 2. HKKYO Kid Sewing Kits. Discover the joy of crafting with this all-in-one sewing kit. It's perfect for anyone who loves creating cute and cuddly stuffed animals. No need to search for supplies. This kit includes everything you need to start your sewing adventure right away and have fun. Designed for easy crafting, this kit features pre-cut pieces and pre-punched holes. It's simple to sew, even for beginners, with clear instructions. Encourage hands-on learning and watch their confidence grow. Completing their own handmade crafts gives them a wonderful sense of accomplishment. Looking for a unique gift? This beautifully packaged kit is ideal for birthdays or any occasion, sure to delight any young crafter. Bring adorable plush animals to life with this fun and engaging sewing project. It's a fantastic way to make your own unique stuffed toys. What we like. This kit features pre-cut plush materials and clear step-by-step instructions, focusing on building sewing skills. If you're looking for a project that helps develop fine motor skills and confidence in crafting, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for children who enjoy hands-on activities and want to feel a sense of accomplishment. What people say. The kit comes with pre-cut felt shapes, making it easy for kids to start sewing right away. Clear, step-by-step instructions with diagrams are included, which are very helpful for beginners. All the necessary supplies, including needles, thread, and stuffing, are provided in the box. Number 1. Dessert Fun Kids Sewing Kit. Ignite your child's imagination with our fun and engaging sewing kit. It's packed with 12 adorable projects designed to entertain and inspire. This kit is perfect for beginners, teaching basic hand sewing skills through an easy-to-follow guide. It's a wonderful way for older children to learn and grow. Inside, you'll find 12 pre-cut felt patterns, keyrings, embroidery floss, and needles. All the supplies are ready for a delightful hand sewing project. Make your next slumber party a hit or give the gift of creativity. It's a fantastic alternative to screen time, encouraging hands-on fun. Watch your kids proudly create their own cute plush toys. This kit offers a rewarding crafting experience for boys and girls alike. We're confident you'll love this delightful dessert craft kit. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is here to help. What we like. This kit provides 12 different projects, focusing on learning basic sewing skills through felt pillow crafts. If you want a kit that offers a lot of value and variety for beginners to practice on, this is a great pick. It's perfect for kids who enjoy making cute, soft creations and want to build a foundation in sewing. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to create 3 adorable stuffed animals. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished products are surprisingly well made and look great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.